What if you could recharge your body's batteries faster, giving you more physical energy for daily tasks? What if you could sharpen your thinking, pushing back against that frustrating brain fog? And what if you could significantly boost your muscle strength, making it easier to stay independent and strong? Science says one of the most studied and safest supplements on the planet can do this. But most seniors have never even considered it, thinking it was just for young bodybuilders. If you're over 60 and feeling that decline in energy and strength, understanding this one nutrient could fundamentally change how you age. This isn't about hype, it's about reclaiming your power. So let's uncover the science behind this remarkable compound. Have you ever found yourself feeling physically drained after simple activities, like carrying groceries or walking up a flight of stairs? Or maybe you experience brain fog, those moments where your thoughts feel slow and finding the right word is a struggle. You might attribute this to just getting old. But what's really happening is a slowdown in your body's fundamental energy system. This is a common experience for men and women over 60. As we age, the efficiency of our cellular energy production can decline, impacting everything from our muscle power to our cognitive function. Our muscles and brain cells become less capable of rapidly regenerating the immediate fuel they need for quick, powerful actions or sharp thinking. This quiet, cellular-level energy crisis is a major contributor to age-related fatigue, weakness, and cognitive decline, silently undermining your vitality and quality of life. So, why does this energy decline happen, and how can we fight it? The core of the issue lies with a molecule called adenosine triphosphate, or ADP. Think of ADP as the energy currency of your cells. It's the immediate, high-octane fuel your body uses for every single muscle contraction, every nerve impulse, every thought. When you get up from a chair, your muscles burn ADP. When you try to remember a name, your brain cells burn ADP. The problem is, your body only stores a very small amount of ADP, enough for just a few seconds of intense effort. After that, it needs to be rapidly regenerated or recharged to be used again. As we age, this recharging process can become less efficient. This means there's more downtime between efforts, which you experience as fatigue, weakness, or mental slowness. You're not just running out of energy, you're taking longer to recharge it. This is where a specific, natural compound comes into play, acting as a powerful booster for your body's energy recharging system. The immense significance of supporting the body's natural ADP energy cycle, particularly in seniors, is a major focus in healthy aging research. By enhancing the efficiency of this fundamental energy system, we can directly impact muscle strength, physical performance, and cognitive function. The solution isn't about consuming stimulants like caffeine, which just mask fatigue. It's about providing your cells with the raw material they need to create more usable energy on demand. This proactive approach helps your body function more like it did in its younger years, with greater resilience and a deeper well of energy and power to draw from. It's about optimizing your body's own energy production at a cellular level, which is a powerful strategy for vibrant aging. Based on decades of scientific research, there's one particular natural compound that stands out as the most effective and safest supplement for enhancing this cellular energy system, leading to profound benefits for muscle strength and brain health in older adults. The powerful nutrient we're talking about is creatine, specifically creatine monohydrate. Now, before you think this is just for bodybuilders, let's be clear, this is not a steroid or a dangerous drug. Creatine is a natural compound made from amino acids that your body already produces in your liver and kidneys. You also get small amounts from eating meat and fish. Its primary role in the body is to support energy production. Here's a simple analogy. Think of your muscle and brain cells as having tiny, rechargeable batteries called ADP. When you do anything, you use up the charge in these batteries. Your body then has to recharge them. Creatine acts like a powerful, portable charging station. It donates a key component that allows your body to rapidly recharge ADP. With more creatine available, your cells can regenerate this energy currency much faster. This means less downtime, more available power, and better performance, whether you're lifting a weight or processing a thought. For seniors, whose natural creatine stores may be lower and whose energy systems are less efficient, supplementing with creatine can be a game changer. The health benefits of creatine for seniors over 60 are remarkable and well supported by science. 1. Increased muscle strength and power. This is the most well-known benefit. By providing more immediate energy for muscle contractions, creatine allows you to perform better during physical activity, especially resistance training. For seniors, this means you might be able to do more repetitions, lift slightly heavier weights, or stand up from a chair with more power. This enhanced performance during exercise leads to greater strength gains over time, directly fighting sarcopenia and preserving muscle mass. 2. Improved functional performance. The benefits extend beyond the gym. Studies on older adults have shown that creatine supplementation can improve performance in everyday tasks like walking speed, sit-to-stand tests, and balance. This translates to greater independence, a reduced risk of falls, and a better ability to navigate daily life with confidence and strength. 3. Enhanced brain health and cognitive function. This is a huge, often overlooked benefit for seniors. Your brain is an incredibly energy-demanding organ and also relies heavily on the ATP energy system. Research has shown that creatine supplementation can support brain health by providing more energy for cognitive tasks. Studies have linked creatine to improvements in short-term memory, processing speed, and reduced mental fatigue. For seniors concerned about brain fog or cognitive decline, creatine can be a powerful tool for supporting a sharper, more energetic mind. 4. Potential bone health benefits. While the research is still developing, some studies suggest that by enabling you to lift heavier and engage in more impactful exercise, creatine may indirectly support bone health. The increased mechanical load on bones during stronger muscle contractions can stimulate bone mineral density, which is crucial for fighting osteoporosis. Making creatine a part of your daily routine is incredibly simple. The most studied, effective, and affordable form is creatine monohydrate. The recommended dosage for health and performance benefits is a simple, consistent dose of 3 to 5 grams per day. You do not need to do a loading phase of higher doses. A small daily amount is sufficient. It's a flavorless powder that can be easily mixed into water, juice, a smoothie, or even your morning coffee. The key is consistency. Taking it every day allows your muscle and brain cells to become saturated with this energy-boosting compound over time. It's also crucial to drink plenty of water throughout the day when supplementing with creatine to support absorption and kidney function. As with any supplement, it is essential to talk to your doctor before starting, especially if you have pre-existing kidney conditions. For those with healthy kidneys, creatine has been shown to be exceptionally safe in long-term studies. So, to recap, your body's energy production slows with age, impacting muscle strength and brain function. Creatine monohydrate is a safe, natural, and highly effective supplement that acts like a recharging station for your cellular energy ATP. For seniors over 60, taking 3 to 5 grams daily can lead to increased muscle strength, improved performance in daily tasks, and enhanced brain health, helping you feel more energetic and capable. Taking this one small step to incorporate creatine into your daily routine could make a significant difference in your strength, energy, and overall vitality. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell immediately if you thought this information was helpful and provided clear, actionable guidance on the benefits of creatine for seniors. Show this video to a loved one who is over 60 and looking for simple, effective ways to maintain their strength, energy, and cognitive function as they age. Their health might be enhanced by your simple act of sharing this powerful information. After learning about the benefits of creatine, what benefit, more energy, stronger muscles, or a sharper mind, are you most excited about? Share your answer in the comments below.